die aan de linkerhand.
Yep, one less Al-Qaeda turkey.
All right.
He's a goner.
Nee. Hij gaat. Hij wordt zien. Alles. Gewoon. Ja, precies.
Je hebt hem overal geraakt.
Ja.
Hij is dood. He's dead.
He's a goner.
I'll run. You want to start with your point of aim somewhere in here. You're still going to hit body. Leg's going to pop up a little bit. The whole key is being aggressive like a good stance in sports. You know, when you play hockey, you're playing goalie, you can't stand up playing goalie, right? You got to be down and ready. Otherwise, I'll knock you in the butt. Same thing with a rifle.
Wat een land, wat een land.
Ja, toch?
Grab on. Pull in firmly, lean in aggressively. Boom, locks in.
Snel man.
Right.
Hij wordt heel snel.
Notch to the rear.
Hij wordt
Post to
heel
the
snel.
front.
Heel leeg.
Put the post in the notch.
Nu ga je die inserts branden in de handen, man. Dat is niet normaal.
Figure between 3 and 7 is probably about the longest you want to go. You go lean back in. If you're going to do a nice fire, nice long 7 bullets, lean in aggressively.
Okay.
Ready to play?
Yeah, sure.
Right on. Automatically Shikova. Bang, bang, bang. Bulgarian comrade. The Bulgarian friends ready to fire. Yeah. These guys. Lean in real aggressively. Good aggressive forward posture with your torso. There you go. And we're ready to go get that bad guy. All you gotta do is when you look through there, the red dot. Whatever that dot is on the card is when it goes on there. How you like that?
Very
Fun
hot.
stuff?
Yeah, and hot.
Very hot. Yeah, this will cost you 2 packs of cigarettes.